Understanding the stove-oven combo. Hello everyone! Today, we're diving into the world of kitchen appliances, and our spotlight is on the stove-oven combo. This is a common term, especially when talking about kitchen setups or planning to buy kitchen appliances. So, if you've been wondering what a stove-oven combo is, you're in the right place. Let's unravel this kitchen mystery together. A stove-oven combo is a kitchen appliance that combines two of the most essential cooking devices into one unit: a stove and an oven. The top part is the stove, also known as the cooktop, where you can boil, fry, or simmer your food. Directly below it, you'll find the oven, a compartment used for baking, roasting, or broiling. This design saves space and offers convenience, making it a popular choice in many homes. Having a stove-oven combo comes with several advantages. 1. Space efficiency. Combining two appliances into one saves precious kitchen space. 2. Cost-effective. Generally, buying a combo is cheaper than purchasing a separate stove and oven. 3. Design harmony. These combos offer a seamless look, contributing to a more aesthetically pleasing kitchen. 4. Easy installation. One appliance means one installation process, simplifying the setup. Stove-oven combos come in different types, catering to various cooking needs and preferences. 1. Gas combos. These use gas for both the stove and oven, preferred for precise temperature control. 2. Electric combos, known for even heat distribution, especially in the oven. 3. Dual fuel combos. Combine a gas cooktop with an electric oven, offering the best of both worlds. Selecting the right combo depends on your cooking habits and kitchen requirements. Consider fuel type. Decide between gas, electric, or dual fuel based on your cooking preferences. Size. Measure your kitchen space to ensure the combo fits perfectly. Features. Look for useful features like self-cleaning ovens, convection options, or extra burners. A stove-oven combo is a versatile and practical choice for any kitchen, blending functionality with style. Whether you're a seasoned chef or just enjoy cooking at home, understanding the essentials of this appliance can help you make an informed decision. We hope this video sheds light on the stove-oven combo, making your kitchen adventures even more enjoyable. Happy cooking, and see you in the next video.